In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to stop Instagram from automatically following other accounts. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Instagram, navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars. Once you're over here, click on the option Account Center. Now navigate to the option Password and Security. This is the section that controls who can access your account. The first thing that you need to check is the list of devices currently logged into your Instagram. So click on the option where you are logged in. If you see any devices that are not yours, log them out immediately because someone else accessing your profile can cause random follows, likes, or unusual activity. After removing unknown devices, go back and change your Instagram password. Enter your current password, set a strong new one, and make sure to select option that logs out all the devices. This prevents anyone from getting back in. Once your password is changed, turn on two-factor authentication for added security. You can enable it using WhatsApp, SMS, text messages, or Authenticator app. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your Instagram account won't follow random accounts. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.